Okay. Okay, look. Let's finish your t-shirt. We'll go this way.
I waited for a while, a woman finally realized, oh, I need to get off the elevator. They're already on its way back down. Or will be. That's been a long time coming, this has. That's been a long time coming. I ordered it and didn't realize eBay actually used the wrong address. It actually used my real old address where my mom and dad lived. I was able to catch that. So I put my current address in, you know, as a note to the seller. They sent it, but it came back. I forgot to put my apartment number. Be careful because it's just a paper wrapping. Jeez, didn't realize the box was this big. Okay. Hold on, Kirk. There we go. Oh, I didn't realize the box was this big. I keep saying that. It's going to be edited out. You can hear the ambo. I know, and here it is. Very rare version of it. So, let's open it up. You coming to our place? Holy crap, I think it might be. Nope. Maybe Civic Center. Oh. If it was the Civic Center, they would have cut off their siren right now. And if it was our place, they would have cut it off down the road there. Okay, we got a secondary sleeve here. And the foam. Still have that tape. I'm going to break that with my fingernail. Thumbnail in that case. The back of it. There's the front. Yeah, that's really cool. Wood grain. LGR would just love this thing. It's got the line cord. Manual. Here's an envelope. Let's see. I don't think there's an envelope or manual in there. No, that's like your warranty registration. I know there's a manual because I saw it in the listing, come to think of it. Still in the box, probably. That is a huge box. I keep saying that. Yep, here's the manual. But first, let's go to the detector. This is basically the same thing as the ESL 706. You saw in my other videos that my aunt had. But this one's got the wood grain. When I saw one like this at the Salvi in Austin years and years and years ago, but it was during a collection hiatus, so I wasn't able to get it. And it took me this long to find another one. Oh! Oh! Ooh! Look at this one. That's the really rare version of it. In fact, I have yet to upload that browsing video. Yeah, you can just take this off. Just like Eileen's, and then with your delta alarm horn. Yep, bulb, incandescent bulb. See if I have my flashlight around. There's your bulb, and then there's that. Kind of greenish. It'll be green, of course, like you saw here. Probably not that green though, but maybe. Should I chance it? Because I remember that time with my new tone. Plugged it in, a couple minutes later, it started going off. And then this side ring comes off. Not sure if you saw that, but it just spins this way. Now you can get at these filters. Gotta be careful though, because they're probably so old. Sorry for the shaking. They're probably so old that if I touch it, it'll disintegrate. Let's look at the inside. It's basically the same with the ESL. I'm going to tell that part.
Dispatch from engine 4. Engine 4. Do you have a number of ground state management? Give me a minute, I'll see what I can find.
Back to where we are. We're back of this. You can lift this off to get to the sensor, and that's where a heat sensor would be. I mentioned that before though in my other videos of arms like this with the back, and again the cord. Where's it come out of? Right there. Comes out here and then out through here. But here's the box. Once again, huge. And of course, I think it's because of the foam. It has to be so big at the back. Oops, there the light's not on. There, it's installed in the hallway. Yeah, this is the much rarer version of the rectangular one that you've seen plenty of times. Alright, let's look at the manual. So here's the manual. Oh, I thought it looked yellow because it is yellow. The paper's actually yellow. So if you want to read this, just pause. Try to scroll slowly enough so it doesn't motion blur when you do try to pause. Whoa, hello. Nice manual, nice instructions. Of course, I'll read it thoroughly later on. That's right. And of course, this is a photoelectric detector, so much better than the ionization crap.
Engine 4 motor operator from engine 4 captain. Go ahead.
Seen that in the
Hold on
cover.
to the ladder. I have a maintenance crew coming with the key. Okay.
There you go. Well, it looks like it wasn't even installed. Probably just sat there in this box. But I could be wrong. If I were to look at the other side of the bracket, I could tell. It's kind of hard to get it off. You have to squeeze these things to get it off. Put the cover back on. And then now the ring, which is in here. Yeah, I might have to do it this way. I was touching the test lever, and I think I moved it. There we go. Get that. All right. Well, there you go, folks. Captain Kelly. Let's see, what is it? PSD 1 or something like that? PSD 12. But there you go. Thanks for watching.